Hello, everyone. My name is Richard, and I am a product expert here at Odoo. With me is Yossi, the owner and CEO of TecPro 2.0, who runs a business that provides software development classes and training. How's it going, Yossi?
Hi, everyone.
Thank you for joining me today. So, why don't you tell us about your business?
Absolutely, I'd be happy to. Well, like you said, TecPro 2.0 is an online training company that specializes in teaching software development. Now, our students can choose for one to or three available packs, which include a 25-hour pack, 50-hour pack, and unlimited hours worth of training. Every student receives their own dedicated instructor after they've completed their order and receive a training guide. Now, we utilize our website as both an e-commerce platform as well as a way for students to submit a ticket to our support team. Also, we make sure that students are able to track how many hours they have used up at any given point. We currently have a team of 20 people made up of teachers, salespeople, customer support, accounting, and of course, myself. Additionally, many of our employees are interacting with clients in a variety of different ways, and they actually have complicated schedules to track.
Okay, that makes a lot of sense. So, can you tell us a bit more about how you are currently managing this process and what are you hoping Odoo can help you with?
Absolutely. It's not easy, Richard. Everything in my business is currently done manually, which makes everything move so much slower than I would actually like. I am manually sending customers to with their contact information for their instructors, their training PDFs, and a new set of trainings whenever we update anything. So everything is manually, like I said. We currently have teachers tracking their hours spent with students in a spreadsheet, if you can believe that. And
Yep.
unfortunately, we have had issues with teachers going over students' allotted hours. These mishaps do affect my ability to accurately track the profitability and finances of the businesses. In other words, it's affecting my bottom line. Now, I'm hoping that Odoo can help streamline all of my processes and automate some tasks. I want to make sure that my business is able to meet the needs of my every single student and continue to grow. Also, having every part of my business in one centralized location would ensure that fewer mistakes are happening, like they are right now. And with Excel's being used, it's just a disaster.
I can only imagine. So, can you help us visualize what happens when someone goes on your website to place an order? So, what's the whole flow look like?
Sure. Let me break it down for you. Number one, once a person places an order on the website for any of the three different pack options that we offer, we confirm that their payment has been cleared. Number one. If the payment is cleared, then we send a template email with all of the information that they need to know about the program and a PDF of their training materials. We also, on our end, after the welcome email has been sent, we check all of our teachers' current schedules to make sure that they are available before we actually assign them to someone or a new student. Then students receive an assigned teacher contact information via email to set up the first training session that works with both of their schedules. I like the flow of our current path, but I understand that there can be some improvements, like in everything. Improvements that could be made via automating some of these tasks that are pretty tedious. Now, I also want to make sure that we are making better use of our time as a business because you know what? Our number one priority is our student and our growth.
I agree with you, and that's our priority to help you achieve those goals. So, if you could help me out, you mentioned briefly your support team. How are they currently receiving these requests, and what do you envision them for them moving forward?
Yeah, great question. So currently, our support team receives queries via support email alias. They respond times are long at the moment. I wish they were shorter. And the team struggles with easily finding data on customers because the data is across so many different spreadsheets and applications. So it's almost like a scavenger hunt trying to find that specific information they're looking for. Now, given the email support is an added cost to our customers to utilize, so I want to make sure that we are providing the best possible service. Now, what I envision, and help me out here, Richard, what I envision is being able to have a page on our website where customers can submit a ticket, submit a form that would create a ticket, right, for our support team, and having that form contain all the vital information, such as the account number, name, email, etc., that would make pulling up that customer information that much easier. Additionally, having all the tickets submitted in one bucket where everyone can see who the ticket is being handled by would alleviate a lot of the double work that's happening and essentially just make everything that much more efficient.
Okay, that makes a lot of sense. I am pretty sure that Odoo can help you with these items. So is there anything else that we should know about that'd be beneficial for your company?
Sure. Let's see. Let me see. Okay. So I remember I said there are 3 packets. There's the 25-hour, the 50-hour, and then the unlimited.
Yeah.
So the unlimited trainings is a monthly subscription, whereas the other packets are set number of hours. We want to make sure that we're still tracking the number of hours for those students that have unlimited hours, because we're interested in making sure that the teachers can easily tell if a customer has an up-to-date subscription, right? We want to make sure that we're getting paid. We also would like to make sure that our students can see their own orders and time available through a web portal. That interaction is important to us. Now, currently they are unable to do so on our current website. We just don't have the wherewithal to do that. And the only way that they can currently track is through their own means with, again, spreadsheets and a calendar app.
All right, well, I have some ideas of how we can handle your requirements, so let me get back to you with our solution. In the meantime, everyone, we'd love to hear more about your solution. So why don't you start a trial, play around with Odoo, and let us know how you would approach Yossi and his team over at TecPro 2.0's requirements. Otherwise, I'll see you guys next video.
Thanks so much.